Okay, I got my AC fixed. At first, I thought the problem is this, so I replaced that, and then I traced it back again. It didn't work. I thought this one is the problem, right? So I was checking the voltage of these two. It doesn't have a voltage, like there's no electricity going through it. It's supposed to be like 26 volts. So these two lines right here is from the furnace. The brown line, the brown, black and white, that that is connected to the circuit board on the furnace. It has a 26 volts on it. Now that line is connected to this. They call this a AC pressure switch. So that's the problem right there. So I didn't actually replace it. I just reset it. So now it's working. And also I disconnected from this Speak Saver Plus. There's something wrong with this too, so I take it out. All this this yellow line right here, that is connected here, so I'm gonna disconnect that. Now it's working.